Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Final Cut Pro for Mac video editing, detailed guide step by step clearly. To register Final Cut Pro on your Mac, first, ensure you have the application installed. Open the App Store from your Mac's Dock or Applications folder. In the search bar, type Final Cut Pro and press Enter. Locate Final Cut Pro in the search results and click on it. If you already purchased it, you will see an option to download it. Click the Download button to install Final Cut Pro on your Mac. Once installed, locate the Final Cut Pro icon in your Applications folder or dock. Double-click the Final Cut Pro icon to launch the application. Upon launching, you may need to sign in with your Apple ID if prompted. This is usually the Apple ID associated with your purchase. Enter your Apple ID and password, then click Sign In. Once logged in, the software will verify your purchase. If the verification is successful, Final Cut Pro will open. If you need to register for the first time, you may be directed to a registration screen. Follow the prompts to enter any required information. Ensure you complete all necessary fields for registration. After finishing, click the Register button to confirm your registration. You should now have access to all features of Final Cut Pro. Explore the software interface to familiarize yourself with the tools and options available. Begin importing your footage to get started with your video editing project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.